YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We shall see what's inside. Alrighty. We have here, ooh baby, a Suplong optical digital audio cable. So if you're in the market for your soundbar, these are good ones to get. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, these are nice. Look at this. Got twist tie here. Suplong. Oh yeah. These are really professional. It's all twisted. There we go. Yes. Here we go. Nice gold plated. Got some bling to it. So you're definitely in the market for some optical cables. You know where to go. All you gotta do is click that link down below and check out, and they'll ship this to you really fast. Cover that up for now. But definitely looks good. Here's the other end. Look at that bling bling. So there you have it. Suplong optical digital audio cable. Links will be down below. It's good for home theater, TVs, PS4, 5, Xbox, Blu-rays, you name it. This covers it all. So definitely check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer. Probably HDMI cords and whatnot. Stuff like that. But if you want a deal on some opticals, these are nice ones to get. So, alright YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night. And see you in the next video.